Right, let's talk about making some man's food easy burritos. How about this? Healthy, low fat, easy, takes 5 minutes to do. I thought I'd just make a quick video on this for you guys. Here's what you can get. I got everything here at Sam's Club, cheapest place on earth to shop. Sam's Club, I go in with my app on my phone. I go in and buy all my stuff and I walk right out the door without having to wait in line at a register. It's actually faster than even going to Stater Brothers. If you have a Sam's Club nearby, great way to do it. So they have these tortillas that are, tortillas aren't exactly the most healthy thing to have, but these ones are the high fiber ones, so they have some decent stuff in them, not just all white stuff, and they taste really good. You have this chicken breast from Members Mark. It's just their, Sam's Club brand. You can get this anywhere you want it. It's just in water, so that's what you want to look for, in water, not in oil, because you don't know what kind of oil it is that it's in. And then you got your, these are Full Circle from Stater Brothers has these, but you can get them. You can get any kind of black beans. Most of the time, black beans don't have lard. And what you're looking for is you don't want lard in your beans, because a lot of places you go out to Mexican food, they give you lard in the beans, and that's really bad for you. So you don't want that. You can also get the refried beans if you want, the ones that are, it says on it vegetarian. That means there's no lard. So anyway, so all you do is you take this can, open it, take this, open it, stick in a bowl about that size, and make sure you have a nice extra large bowl so you don't spill over. I'm not going to make it. I just got done making this, so it's real easy to do though. Put these both in here. Treat it like it's soup. Heat it up, stir it, stir it, stir it till it's hot. This is already cooked. These don't need to be cooked. They think they're already pre-cooked too. So you just heat it up till it's hot, to your desired heat. I usually get it nice and hot, like whatever. And then you can get whatever kind of cheese you like. If you want, you can get the low-fat cheese if you're looking for, that kind of diet. But if you want the good stuff, you just gotta not put too much on, right? If you're trying to stay low in cholesterol like me, just put a little bit of cheese on there to give it some flavor. And throw a little bit of this is what I used. This hot sauce, I just put a little bit of that in there, mixed it all up while it was simmering at the same time. Heat it up, get your tortilla a little warm if you want to put it in the air fryer for a minute or two, or in the microwave, and just pour your desired amount on tortilla, wrap it up. You got yourself some burritos. Real healthy, decent, way better than going to the store and buying stuff. I'm starting to put videos up about this stuff because going out to lunch is getting really expensive. So start making your own food and you get a lot better for something that's a lot better for you. You don't know what's in it. You don't know what's in the stuff you get at a restaurant. You don't know. They could have put, things like palm oil, which is real high fat oil. They say it's called vegetable oil, but it's really palm oil. That stuff is really commonly used in restaurants. Lots of salt they put in it. This you can put the desired amount of salt. I put no salt on mine, and it tasted great just like that. Because there is some salt, I think, in the chicken breast, and it didn't need anything else. So that's all I put in mine. Tasted great. Talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.